Alright folks, so I just received my first mobile ham radio in the mail. Mobile as in for a car or automobile or portable. As you see, it is a Japanese Yaesu FTM-400XDR. I guess I can see the exact model here. FTM-400XDR. And I have not opened it yet. I see the boxes hanging up. I've been saving it for a few days to open it. Got my dog over there. But anyway, this is the first time I'm seeing it. This is what's in the box. It's my first mobile radio experience. I can't even really hold the camera and open it at the same time, so I'm gonna set the camera down on the floor. See, we got the fancy Japanese style box. And let me see, it shows this, all these little screens and some accessories and options here. I get a warranty card, Yaesu limited warranty card. I get a Yaesu Bible. That is a manual there, obviously. There's the what looks to be the radio body, and it's actually really small. My hand is bigger than that. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get the wrapper off here. It's so small. That's what she said. Hi, honeybee. I got a new radio. You get mad? External speaker, data, power, antenna. Nice and easy. Control, microphone, USB, data. I imagine this is the control head here. Ah, look at it, man. That is cool. Let's see what else we get. So that's basically the radio there, just a bunch of cables probably next. It looks like a data cable. Yeah, it looks like it goes from data to USB. Still quite a bit of weight in here. Let's see what else we got. That looks like a remote mount cable for the faceplate, I'm imagining. This is my handy dandy microphone. Push to talk, baby. We got some adapters, don't know what that's for. Got like a little gaskety thing. Some fuses. This looks to be the mount for the head unit. The face unit. This looks to be the mount for the radio. Hardwares. More hardwares. And a microphone mount. And, ooh, there's still something heavy in here somewhere. Oh. Yeah, copper is heavy. This is a power cable with fuse holders. And that's it. And I obtained this from DX Engineering for $600 shipped because of the $34 sales tax, and I saved 20 bucks from a Yaesu discount. And I don't think they have a bunch of these left. There's not a ton of them left. I grabbed one of the last few remaining. I don't know if they're making more after that or what the deal is, but apparently I saw a video on YouTube where you could open up this lid and open up the channels on here too. But anyway, here's my new radio. I'm waiting for an antenna in the mail. I got a comment antenna coming in about a week, and I got an MMO connector coming in a few days. So that looks to be RCA. I don't know what that is. That might be something, I don't know. It might not be the right connector for me for my antenna that's coming. But there's my radio. Unboxing of the FTM-400XDR. Stay tuned because I'm going to put this in either my car or my fishing trailer, so we'll get to see how it works. I did get my license too, my ham license, so we'll actually get to use it. I'll see you guys later.